What's going on, you guys? So here's another freelance proposal that we're gonna go after today. So it looks like they want a Slack app developer to build and refine a simple functional app. So the requirement, so the app is simple and just needs the functionality to install multiple workspaces, make posts in those workspaces, button request URLs, and menu creation. So we just need to make a simple Slack app that shows that we can do this. And you can just go through the Slack API and make a simple app and give a little video presentation of your app and send that as your proposal for this job. So stay tuned and get ready to see the proposal that I sent to this client. Hello, so I'm going to demo a Slack app to just show, say you have a slash command, you want to type /new lead and you want to have some interactivity with your users and customers, and then you'd like to distribute this app in the Slack App Store. So let me just show you just some basic functionality of a Slack app to show you that I can do what you're looking for in this job. Okay, so just an explanation of what's going on here. So this is a Node.js server that's going to interact with our Slack app, and the most interesting piece of code. So it uses both Express and request, and so whenever a user types /new lead, our server will accept that post request, and it's going to respond with your ngrok tunnel is up and running. So this right here is an ngrok tunnel, and so that allows our Slack app to send an HTTP post request to it, and this is our server. This is where we're running our server. So our example server, it's running on port 4390. So we can look at the web interface for our ngrok. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the functionality for the user. So say you had a lot of sales professionals and they just talked to a new lead, and so they want to save that information, say, to an Airtable database. So maybe you could do a /new lead command, and that would open up a pop-up for them to fill out all the relevant information and then send it to an Airtable database. So this is just a hello world example, just to show that I'm able to do that if necessary. And so you can see it says here, your ngrok tunnel is up and running. And so that corresponds to, so what we do with that data. We just send back the text. You could do different things. You could send a post to an Airtable API to post all that data as a new row in the table. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day.